Hello students, I hope you are enjoying your vacation and you are safe at your home. You are enjoying your corona vacation and waiting for your final exams. So as a student of BMS, you must be aware that you have one subject which is called as International Finance. Here I am to introduce you what is International Finance. So, I hope everybody knows what is international finance, right? Still, I would also add something or would like to say something same which you know. So what is international finance? Well, there is a trade between two countries or more than two countries. It is called your international finance. It may be exchange of goods and services or maybe exchange of currencies. This is called your international finance. Countries involved may be two or more than that, but minimum two countries are required for international finance. So I hope you are clear what is the international finance. As the name suggests, international, which cross the boundaries of the country and globalize the trade. So this was the international finance. Nowadays, international finance is very much important to all of the countries, all of the economy in the world. Why? Because they don't want to stay behind. They want to compete the world. They have to compete the other countries. They have to develop our country. That's why international finance is very much important. In economies also, international finance is useful because it helps to growth of the country. It helps us to exchange the currencies, exchange of goods and services which are deficient in our country, and we can export the goods and services which we are in surplus. In that way, the exchange money we can develop our country, and that's going keep on. You must be aware the World Bank, the International Finance Corporation, the international mutual funds, which all are involved in international finance. They are intermediates and they help to go smoothly the international finance between the countries. Nowadays, you must be aware there is a Cold War between China and India. Due to Corona, we all people, Indian people, are facing a big problem. At the same time, China is disturbing our boundaries. So, if you are seeing the news or watching the news, you have seen that Donald Trump from USA has given information that he is ready to settle down the war between India and China. Why? He knows that China and India both are the countries which are good developed. Definitely China is developed country and India is developing country. So India has helped Trump, Donald, you must be knowing that we have given them medicines to help fight with Corona. So they want peaceful world, and so US is helping us for settlement. Why they are helping us for settlement? They must be knowing that India is also a powerful country. They exchange goods and services with India, and you must be knowing they are asking for IT people and medical help, not only the medicines. They know that India have good doctors available at cheaper rate. So they are asking India to have their services within US boundaries. So that is again the exchange of services. So they also want, US also want peaceful countries should be there in economy, so there should not be no war and nothing other trouble should be there. So now we will come to international finance importance. Earlier picture, whatever I have told, you have come to know the little importance of international finance. So here I will emphasize more on international finance importance. First, deficit of one country gives surplus to another country. That way exchange provides and peaceful life will be there. How? For example, India was having many medicines for not Corona but that hydroxyl medicine, malaria medicine. They gave to USA. USA asked help to Indian Prime Minister to give help for this medicine. If India is giving medicine to US, definitely US will help at the time of need or any time of emergency, which Donald Trump had asked for any help for settlement with China war. So when there is a surplus and we help other country or the deficit, I will give you one more example. Gulf countries. You must be knowing that Gulf countries having monopoly in what? Monopoly in crude oil. So no any other countries including US, including India, they don't have any surplus crude. They are depending on and more on Gulf countries. So even though US is very powerful, it will not fight with the Gulf countries. Why? Because they knows their crude oil requirement will be supported by only Gulf countries. When they will be in a smooth life or in a smooth trade with Gulf countries, then only Gulf country will provide crude to oil, crude to Indian company or US companies. Crude is very much important, so they will require peaceful life. This is the one cause or the one importance. Second, there are many substitutes available in the market, in the world market. So growth of economy, growth of exchange, growth of currencies are happening due to globalization of market. Now, for example, we can say that again, Corona is the most recent and most popular example. Earlier, we were exporting mask and PPE kit from China, but China's PPE kit was not up to the mark. So what we did, our PM Narendra Modi, what he said, be आत्मनिर्भर. आत्मनिर्भर मीन्स खुद बनाओ और खुद एक्सपोर्ट करो, खुद के लिए भी यूज करो और बाकी की कंट्रीज को भी एक्सपोर्ट करो. खुद आत्मनिर्भर बन जाएंगे तो हम लोग को बाहर से लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. जैसे चाइना का माल अच्छा नहीं आया था तो वी हैव रिजेक्टेड. पंजाब के मिनिस्टर ने तो इमीडिएटली रिजेक्ट कर दिया दैट वी डोंट वांट दिस क्वालिटी. सो हम लोग ने खुद ने बनाना शुरू किया एंड नाउ वी आर हेल्पिंग our country as well as other countries. So we are generating revenues. Sometimes we are giving it free of cost. But free of cost भी एक टाइप का रेवेन्यू है, बिकॉज आज अगर हम लोग उनको फ्री में दे रहे हैं मास्क और पीपीई किट, तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन फ्यूचर इफ वी विल इन सम डिफिकल्टी एंड हम लोगों को कुछ जरूरत है, देन डेफिनेटली अदर कंट्री विल हेल्प अस. वाई? बिकॉज दे फील कि आज अगर हम लोग को जरूरत पड़ी है, हमको किसी कंट्री ने दिया है, so we should give next time to their country. So that will between two countries or more than two countries. So that will be growth of both the countries. Revenues churn होगा, currency अपनी अच्छी हो जाएगी. Nowadays 72 rupees है, currency का rate बढ़ जाएगा. So that is another point of importance for international finance. Exchange rate, third point. Exchange rate is very much important. For example, generally standard is euro rate. Euro rate is एवरीवेयर एप्लीकेबल. जनरली ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड मार्केट में यूरो रेट एप्लीकेबल होता है. जो बोथ द कंट्रीज या तो मोर देन टू कंट्रीज जो इन्वॉल्व होती है ट्रेड में, वो सब उसी में ट्रेड करते हैं. नॉट इन डिफरेंट करेंसी, इन यूरो करेंसी जनरली. नॉट द स्टैंडर्ड और मेंशन रूट, बट जनरली इफ इट इज नॉट देयर यूरो करेंसी, तो देन दे विल कम टू वन करेंसी विच आर एक्सेप्टेबल टू बोथ द कंट्रीज, बायर एंड द सेलर. एक्सचेंज रेट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. So next is investment by other company in India. For example, Facebook ने जियो में इन्वेस्ट किया है. रिलायंस जियो सबको पता ही होगा, nowadays सबके पास होगा भी जियो के तो दो फीचर्स है, एक स्मार्टफोन है और एक छोटा सा फोन है. अभी मैं आपको दिखा सकती हूँ छोटा सा फोन. दिस इज द स्मॉल फोन ऑफ जियो का फोन भले ही छोटा है, बट इट इज अफोर्डेबल एंड इट इज हैविंग मेनी फीचर्स इंक्लूडिंग फेसबुक. अभी क्या हुआ, फेसबुक ने उसमें इन्वेस्ट किया, काफ़ी कुछ अमाउंट उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया है. सो क्या होगा, छोटे फ़ोन में ये फीचर अवेलेबल है. जिसके पास महंगे फ़ोन लेने की है ये कैपेसिटी नहीं है, वो लोग सब जियो में इन्वेस्ट करके ले सकते हैं. इट कॉस्ट अराउंड ओनली 700 रुपीज़. सो 700 में आपको फेसबुक मिल रहा है, आपको व्हाट्सएप मिल रहा है, आपको टेलीग्राम मिल रहा है, सब 700 में मिल रहा है. सो आपका फेसबुक का व्यूअर बढ़ते जाते हैं. छोटे फोन में आप फेसबुक देख सकते हैं विद ऑल द फैसिलिटीज. सो आपके व्यूअर्स बढ़ते हैं. यू कैन ओपन योर अकाउंट इन दैट वे फेसबुक को और रेवेन्यू ऑन होगा. द सेम वे रिलायंस जियो को भी ऑन होगा, बिकॉज जियो में ही तो इन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया है, तो डेफिनेटली दे विल टेक सम पार्ट ऑफ मनी एज अ रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम फेसबुक, राइट? सो दिस इज अगेन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंस. नेक्स्ट लास्ट 2 डिकेड से हम लोग देख रहे हैं जो कंपनीज या तो जो कंट्रीज इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंस में ट्रेड नहीं कर रही है, तो इंटरनेशनली ट्रेड नहीं कर रही, दे आर नॉट मच डेवलपिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन से पाकिस्तान. Pakistan is not developed country and they are not exporting anything and they are so much depending on other countries, so they don't have globalization. They are depending only on other countries but they are not exchanging anything with other countries, so they are not developing. So now it is very much important that you should be in a global market and you should be compatible in the world. आपके पास बहुत सारे products available हो जाते हैं when you are in international market. When you don't like product from one country, you can enter with trade with other company for the same type of product at suitable rate which is affordable to you. So that is again the importance of your international finance. Again I am telling you, any point of time I am open for your all question answers. Our team, my senior, my coordinator who is managing all these things, we all are with you and we are helping you on each and every step to solve your queries. Thank you.